There are heroes who keep the world running, every hour, every day. The work never stops. Because when something goes wrong, you don't just fix it, you chase it. Across systems, across teams, across time. And while you're figuring it out, something else gets left behind. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if the system already knew where to look, what changed, and why it happened? So, what used to take months takes minutes. You still do the work. You just don't have to carry all of it. We've got you.